Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the place in Roblox Studio and enabling Explorer and Properties so you can see everything. Once done, search Common Containers, Workspace, Server Script Service, Replicated Storage, Starter Player Scripts, and Starter GUI. Make sure to filter by script, local script, and module script types. This prevents missing hidden code. If the project uses folders, expand them fully. You're doing this now to identify exactly which file contains the behavior you want removed before making any edits or backups. Next, create a backup or copy the script and save a development version to avoid permanent loss. Then, in a test environment, either comment out blocks, return early-in functions, or call destroy on the instance to observe effects. Once commented, play the game in Studio Play Solo to see behavior changes without affecting live players. Also check Team Create for concurrent edits. This approach helps you verify removal impact and prevents breaking dependent systems or remote events unexpectedly. Finally, when tests pass, remove the script permanently and publish the place. Make sure to run full playtests including multiplayer scenarios and edge cases. If issues occur, open the output/console to read stack traces and identify dependent modules, events, or object references that still call the removed code. Once you find references, either update callers or restore the script temporarily. If recovery is needed, roll back to the saved version or re-import your backup. This avoids lost progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.